Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable volume control in Lockscreen player on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now if you're listening to music or a podcast, and if you open the notifications panel, and if you open the lock screen and see this player, you cannot find the option to increase or decrease the volume of the music or the podcast without using the volume buttons. Now to enable this feature, just scroll down. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now from here, scroll down and enable always show volume control. Now once you enable this feature, and if you go back and if you open any music or a podcast, now from here, if you open the notifications shade, you can find the option to increase or decrease the volume of your iPhone. And this is how you can enable volume control in Lockscreen player on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.